Hi, I'm Dr. Evan Mountford at Loomis Lifecare. I wanted to do a quick video and introduce the sourdough bread making class that we have coming up here pretty soon. The class itself is going to be a lot of fun. I've done many of these classes in the past and everyone really has a great time. There's going to be some samples of sourdough bread available. You'll take home a sourdough starter as well as a recipe, but the most important component is you'll take home the knowledge to make a very simple, easy to make sourdough bread that's not only delicious but also very healthy and nutritious. We talk about specifically why is it that people have gluten problems, why there's problems with their bread, and why this type of bread doesn't have those issues. And with this recipe, you'll be able to get started in making all kinds of other recipes. I've adapted this to making pizza, to making rolls, to making hamburger buns, to making all kinds of delicious foods. I've talked to other my patients that have taken this class and gone on to do many other fun recipes that are just their family loves, cinnamon rolls, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to enjoy that class together and looking forward to seeing you soon.